Alright, so I am cleaning an air duct. Don't mind my hair, it's because I have the strap on here that holds that and it's just messing my hair up. But either way, we're doing some air duct cleaning. And when we run into houses that have ducts that have vents that are painted on, this one here is completely painted on. If it's big enough, we can go through the grate, just like I have here. I got the flapper. This is an old house. Got the flapper just being held open. And then we've already pulled a bunch of stuff out of here, but then I'm pulling socks and ribbons and garbage and wrappers and stuff out of ducts. But as long as they're bigger, you can pull them right up through this, and then all the dust, all of the other stuff goes through here, down the hose into the truck. So yeah, so that's what I'm working on. This is a fairly old house. This is a double vent. So as long as I have this one propped open, it shuts the vent in the other room, and you can just see there's some old paint and stuff in there. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on. We're using 200 psi compressed air and a special tool that gets all that stuff loose in there. And then because this one isn't a perfect seal because I have this, we'll have a little bit of stuff here that I'll suck up when I'm done. But yeah, I mean, so that's the reality of having air ducts cleaned in an older house. You're not going to be perfect, but the idea is we're sucking out that dust, especially this house. This is a coal house. See how my hands already turning black? So there's coal dust in there. That's really bad to breathe anyways, but it's going to get 99% of that stuff out of there that would normally be blowing around in your house, and get it out. And then just for my safety, I wear a respirator just because I do so many of these air ducts, so many of these air duct cleanings, that a little bit of dust, a little bit of dust, a little bit of dust every job that I could inhale possibly can cause problems for me. And I actually have allergies, and I do this because A, I love doing it, but B, I like taking care of my customers and my community and taking care of all of your guys' houses. It's kind of a privilege. And yeah, but I gotta stay safe too. I got kids at home and a wife, so I just want to make sure everybody can see what I was doing. And sometimes when you just don't have access to take off that vent, because like on the screws are even painted and filled in, I don't want to chip all that up, and I don't want to take this off and damage the wall. And that's one of the reasons why we have the homeowners try to take these off before we come, is because they're the ones that can make the decision whether or not it's okay to damage the wall. We don't like to do that. So we do this when we need to, and we're still going to get extremely good results like this. And all that dust and dirt is going to go outside, out into the truck, or into our negative air machine when we use that. And yeah, going to make your house a little healthier. So if you guys need us, give us a call, 814-547-1848. Be happy to answer any questions you guys have. If you're thinking about getting this done, and maybe your house, you have a very large house, if you need to do like a payment plan or anything like that, we do offer financing. But if you want to do, like an all-in-one, like maybe you get a new house, you want to do your house wash, your air ducts, all your carpets, all your upholstery, all your rugs, all your hardwood floors, we can set stuff up like that and get it all done, usually in one shot. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys when I come to your house. All right, have a great one.